Breville's Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro works seamlessly with the Breville Plus app. Let's take a look at how this app can enhance your cooking experience. The Breville Plus app gives you access to expert-tested recipes tailored for the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. These recipes are crafted by Breville experts with partnerships from New York Times Cooking and America's Test Kitchen, so you know you're using the right settings every time. With the app's cook guides, you'll quickly find the exact cooking times and temperatures for your ingredients. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or slow cooking, Breville Plus provides precise guidance so there's no need to constantly guess or check on your food. You can also search cook guides by your favorite or frequently used ingredients and save them for easy access later. This makes meal planning and cooking simpler, especially when you're recreating your go-to meals. While the app doesn't control the oven directly, it helps you get the most out of all 13 cooking functions, giving you the confidence to try new recipes and techniques. With Breville Plus, you'll enjoy a smarter, more personalized cooking experience that makes time in the kitchen easier.